5 ways to make a man fall in love. Don't you stop thinking about that man who seems to be perfect for you. The most likely thing is that if Cupid reached your heart, you do not stop thinking about what your relationship would be like. You imagine yourselves walking, having dinner, sharing chats with friends, cooking together. However, you are assailed by the question, how to get him to fall in love with me? The truth is that every man is a world, but if you have decided to conquer his heart, we assure you that the following keys will help you cultivate the attitude you need so that he does not take his eyes off you. We start with a few phrases that will make your intentions clear in a very original way. Take note. If after these phrases you need to land a little more the concept of falling in love with someone, take note of these 5 great tips offered by the team of Egoland, experts in seduction. Follow them to the letter and success is assured. Let's start. 1. Do not try to rush things. Cultivate patience. Analyzing the situation, or worrying about if he is going to fall in love, compromise or know what you are playing, will not allow you to relax and enjoy the moments with him. Do not rush into wanting to have answers ahead of time. Your pressure or your signs of insecurity can have an opposite effect, and that he ends up rejecting you. Keep in mind that when a man has a real interest in you, he shows it to you. That's where you have to put your eye. If his attitude is consistent with what he says he is going to do, he wants to know you, just like you want to know him. Everything else will be arriving. Be patient, make him feel free and do not push him. Live the process. 2. Know him and discover who he is. Listen actively. To conquer his heart, show yourself open and wanting to discover what interests him, what he likes to do, what worries him, what life plans he has. Observe and listen well. Do not go ahead by creating your own stories and interpretations. Let him open at his own pace, and let him give you the information. If you show interest in his things and he feels heard, you will become his best company and confidant. He will understand that he can be comfortable with yourself, and in a warm and safe space. And you will have much more information to play your cards. Of course, you also have to learn to play them. 3. Do not cut yourself in making proposals. Take the initiative. Be a brave woman and do not cut yourself in taking the initiative. You can propose plans, surprise him with some activity, initiate a conversation. With this, you will be showing illusion, desire, and security, 3 fundamental elements to captivate his heart. Be careful, it's not about being super effusive or energetic, do not exhaust him. But you give yourself permission to invite him to a restaurant, send a message to go to the movies or surprise him with some football tickets. Also, if you have been listening well, you will know what things he loves to do and get your proposals right. 4. Reinforce what you like about him. Make him feel unique and special. Most women hope that men are the ones who dedicate them the compliments. That's fine, but what about them? One mistake you should not make is to shut up what you like. Do you love his naughty way of looking at you? Does his strong masculine voice appeal to you? Does his sense of humor seem very intelligent? Communicate it. Your compliments will make him feel special by your side, and will help you to justify your proposals. Why would you like to have another meeting with him? Because his sense of humor has captivated you. Why are you getting closer to him? Because you are dying to listen well to his voice. And remember that, in the middle term is virtue. If you want him to melt for you, be honest with your words, value him. But without going over. That is, you can be inspired by a romantic movie, but it is still too early to let him know any of these phrases. 5. Be yourself. Do not hide under an appearance. If instead of focusing on the moment, you are more aware of what he will think of you, not messing up at any time or pretending a supposed perfection, you will be carrying the most important thing, that the situation flows. Awakening his feelings happens through knowing you, and the more natural, open and uncomplicated you show yourself, the more he will like you. Remember the following: the best of you will only come out when you allow yourself to be yourself. He does not want your perfection, he wants to know you. If you really want to connect with him and get his full attention to cultivate the relationship, be spontaneous, do not hide under any mask. You are your best ally to make him fall in love. To learn more about 5 ways to make a man fall in love, download my book free by clicking the book image on the right or the link in the description below, and please subscribe to this channel and share this video.